In this video, I want to show you the power steering fluid of your Dodge Charger. Where is the location of that reservoir? So you're gonna open the hood, and on the right side, on this corner where the headlight is, this is the liquid. This is what you're looking for. It even says on the cap. So unscrew it, and you're gonna have a small guide over here telling you where the line, example, if your engine was hot because you drive at least 30 minutes, well, you should never get above this line, and if it's under, and you also have a minimum line, so your liquid should be right between these two if your engine is hot. Obviously, if you didn't drive your car, you need to switch it around, and you're gonna get the guide for a cold engine. So full is here and the low is right over there. I'll put links towards Amazon to get the fluid that goes right over here, so check my links. It's usually the cheapest, and once you're done, make sure this cap is tightly closed. Whoops. All right, need to turn it. Now it's great. If it's not closed tightly, you'll get a message in the dash. So this is about it. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.